Hey y'all, it's your girl Leilani, and you're watching Channel Blue. Today, I'm giving you guys a spooky, grungy fall makeup. So we're just gonna get started with a clean face, moisturize, and prime. We're gonna get into our foundation. Today, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte 24-hour foundation in the shade 111 or 111, whichever floats your boat. I'm just gonna be dotting that on my face. Real cute, like. I'm looking for my brush. If you're using a beauty blender, go ahead and use that. But I'm gonna be using a foundation brush. Excuse me if I sound weird. I haven't done a voiceover in a long time, and I'm still trying to get used to my voice. And I'm a little sick, so bear with me. Blending that all out so it's nice and blended. Even though I missed the spot, comment down below if you can see it. I'm gonna get you nice and close, and we're gonna prime our eyes. Today I'm using the Urban Decay eye primer in the shade Eden. I'm just smudging that out on my eye and zooming you back out. I'm blending that out, and that's when I realized I didn't do my brows. So I'm taking a dark brown eyebrow pencil from the Beauty Supply store. There we go. Just using my natural shade, making it a little bigger at the top to give a nice full thick brow. Same thing on the other side. You can get one of these for like $1. The only thing is they run out pretty quick, especially if you do makeup every day. Now I'm going in with a little spoolie, blending it all out. Oh, look at those edges, so cute. Okay, going in my Glossier Stretch Concealer to carve my brows out. I'm in the shade G5. Just with a little flat concealer brush, just carving out my brows, cleaning them up, making them look all snatched like I just got them freshly waxed. Same thing on the other side, and whatever you do to the top, you gotta do to the bottom, and vice versa. I'm just gonna conceal in between my brows just to get rid of any darkness there. Blending that out with my finger. If you're like me and you mess up your brows, you can just fix them real quick. So I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nirvana palette, going in with the two medium brown shades, mixing them together and putting them in between my crease and my brow bone as a transition color. Today's look is a little more grunge, a little more dark, so I'm using darker colors. If I had more colors, like a black, I would have used it. I'm going to use the darkest color in the palette to put that on my crease and then blend it out. I'm taking this all the way to my inner corner and extending my eye out for a little more cat-like look. Putting that same dark color on my lid and blending it out. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty matchsticks and just conceal under my eye. I use this more to brighten up than to conceal. I'm blending this out with the beauty sponge. Tapping it in. Tap, tap, tap in. If you notice that beautiful painting behind my head, I did a restoration of it. I'll put it in a little space around it. Taking the Glossier concealer, going right on top of it for more conceal, to really get those bags gone, you know. Taking that under my eye, the corner of my nose, my chin, the other side of my eye, and a little bit on my lip, and snatching that nose and my forehead. Blending that out with a beauty sponge. So how are you? How's your life? How is your day? Comment down below. If you're doing great, let me know. If you're doing terrible, let me know. Blending all that out. I'm gonna take that same dark color, pat it underneath my eye, and let it connect to the end of my eyeshadow. From the inner corner of my eye all the way to the end of my eye. And when you think you have enough, put 2 more layers. Blending that out. And like magic, the other side is done. So I'm going in with the CoverGirl Translucent powder. And setting my under eyes, pretty much my whole face. And this is where your girl messed up. I did not dust off the excess powder, and it got all in my hair. Let's see how long it takes me to notice. Blend that out. Yeah. Now that we're casket ready, we're gonna set our face with setting spray. Just to get rid of some of that ashy color and get more skin light. I'm going in with blush. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter and Ginger Minge. And I'm putting that everywhere. When I mean everywhere, I mean like my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, anywhere you would naturally blush. I'm going in with this palette from the Beauty Supply store. It has an array of colors and shades. I'm going in with a medium brown color and contouring my nose. Really more of a bronze. I'm not really trying to change the shape. I just want to bring back the definition of my nose. Blending that out to my brow bone. Putting a little bit under my chin to make my lips pop. And I'm contouring my cheeks with the darker brown shade. I'm going in a angular shape because I want to slim down my face, giving spooky, skinny vibe. Going underneath my chin, all the way down to my neck, to really shed those pounds, you know what I'm saying? I'm taking the same pencil that I use for my eyebrows to line my lips. Taking this NYX lipstick pencil. I'm not sure what shade it is, but I'm taking that a nice dark burgundy. Putting over the lips. Blend it out. Hitting it with a liquid lipstick that's a little darker, just to tailor up the edges. Feel free to do this look and add your own twist. I'm using the Fenty Beauty eyeliner and just making a quick little cat eye. I really love this look. Using mascara on my top lashes, both sides. Going in with a little more powder just to cut my cheeks, give that more slim look. Blending it out because I don't want to bake it. I just want to have a little powder there. And now we're done. Yay! Finishing gorge. I had to take a sigh. It's a lot of work. Here's some cute little smellers before I get weird. There she goes. And here's some clips of me singing to Frank. But I can't share the song because copyright. But I love Frank Ocean. And 9 times out of 10, if I'm recording, that's what I listen to. And that's me noticing the powder in my hair. But this was fun. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Stay safe. Stay COVID free. Wear your mask. Stay gorge. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. More singing. Okay.